Okay guys, so today is August 10th, 2020, and we have a severe thunderstorm warning in effect. So yeah, oh my god. It's downpouring in here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's the craziest thunderstorm I've ever recorded. Oh my god. Okay guys, so right now it is like 1:11. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my gosh! No way! Look how the wind's blowing! Oh my goodness! We're in a hurricane! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my goodness! That thing was so crazy! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Look how the wind's blowing! Oh my god! Look how the winds are blowing! I feel like we're in a hurricane! Oh my god! This wind is so crazy! The wind speeds right now is 19 miles per hour! Oh my gosh, it's increasing the wind speeds! The wind speeds right now, I feel like it's 25. Oh my god! These winds are sure crazy. Like we had in June 2013. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my goodness gracious, y'all. Oh my god. It's producing nothing but at around 28 mile per hour winds. Like, look at how the wind speeds are blowing. They're blowing at 24. Oh my lord! Oh my lord. It is the craziest downpour ever. The craziest severe thunderstorm ever. It's like tornado warning. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That was so crazy, guys. I'm a little wet. Time is about 1:13 p.m. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, look how crazy the wind's blowing! Oh my goodness gracious! That is just the craziest! This is intense! This is insane! Insane wind picking up. Oh my god. Is this hailstorming? Oh my god, I think it is. Guys, I literally feel like we're in a hailstorm. Because look at that. Oh my goodness. I can hear hail. Guys, I can even hear hail. Look at that. Just listen, it's ice. It's falling like nothing. Tornado warned thunderstorm. It's like ice. It's like ice, or we're in winter. I can't even hear that. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at that. Let me see. Guys, we have this falling. Guys, we have hail falling. Okay guys, stay tuned.